Damn, I went and splurged out, dude. I had me a Brahms $2.18 birthday cake with whole milk junior shake. I had one small strawberry Fanta. This is a large strawberry Fanta. Coupons came out. So it's buy a French fry and a drink and get a free chili cheese burger. But I already had a free French fry and a free water burger. So this is my second free burger. This is a chili cheeseburger. And I went and picked up this looks to be like an old school router table. Never been opened. Right here. What does it say? Contains router table, router not included. Well, that's cool. Ain't never been open. Paid $20 for that. You want to see the chili cheeseburger? I'm full right now. I'm about to have to take a shit. Here's the chili cheeseburger from Whataburger. Oh, it's got cheese on it. Shit. 2 patties, chili. Oh, it smells pretty good. I think I'm going to eat some of that.